Welcome to Tech and Home Chronicles, where smart living meets simple solutions. Today we're looking at the BISSELL Featherweight Stick Vacuum, a lightweight and affordable vacuum that's popular for a reason. Here's the good and the bad to help you decide if it's right for you. One of the biggest strengths is how ultra-lightweight it is, just around 3 pounds. That makes it incredibly easy to carry, push, or store, which is great for seniors, students, or anyone with limited space. Another benefit is its 3-in-1 design, letting you switch between stick vacuum, handheld mode, and stair cleaning in seconds. It also performs well on hard floors and low-pile rugs, making it perfect for quick cleanups. Being bagless with a washable filter, it's easy to maintain and cost-efficient over time. And of course, it's very affordable, which is why so many people grab one as a secondary vacuum or for smaller spaces. Now for the downsides. While it's great for light use, this vacuum has limited suction power, so it won't handle thick carpets or deeply embedded dirt. The 15-foot cord also limits how far you can go before switching outlets, especially in bigger rooms. Because of its compact size, the dustbin is small, so you'll need to empty it often. And although the build is functional, it's mostly plastic, which means it's not the most durable if you're tough on your gear. If you need a super lightweight, easy-to-use vacuum for daily messes on hard floors or rugs, the BISSELL Featherweight is a solid choice. Just don't expect deep cleaning. Hope this helped. And as always, do your own research and check recent reviews to make sure it fits your needs. Like and subscribe for more fast and honest product breakdowns, right here on Tech and Home Chronicles.